Hello all, this is the day 3 assignment from the Kerala School Vikaspuri team. Today we have selected our companies on the analysis done using these two ratios. First one is the price to earnings ratio and the second one is the price to book value ratio. So what is the price to earnings ratio or the PE ratio? When a normal investor like you and me plan to buy a stock, we need to assess the company's fundamentals and investor perceptions to make an informed decision. This is where the PE ratio helps. A PE or price to earnings ratio is the ratio of market price of a company's stock to its earnings per share, EPS. In other words, P by E ratio is equal to market price earning per share. It indicates how much money an investor has to invest in the company to earn rupees 1 of the company's earning. So let's take a simple example. If the PE ratio of a company is 25, then you need to invest rupees 25 in the said company to earn 1 rupee of its earnings. The second ratio is the book value ratio. The book value of a stock is theoretically the amount of money that would be paid to the shareholders if the company was liquidated and paid off all of its liabilities. As a result, the book value equals the difference between a company's total assets and total liabilities. To calculate the book value of a company, we use the formula of net assets upon number of shares. Here, net assets equal to net assets minus liabilities. So we have selected these three companies from large cap, mid cap and small cap companies. From large cap, we have selected Gale India Limited. From mid cap, we have selected Dish TV. And from small cap, we have selected KRBL Limited. So this is a brief description about Gale India Limited. This gives us a brief information what is the ROCE, market capitalization, ROE, pledge percentage and promoters holding of Gale India Limited. So using this information, we can see that the P ratio of Gale India Limited is 8.25 and it is the lowest as compared to all of its peers or competitors. This basically means that it is the cheapest or the ideal ratio which we can buy as comparison to all of its peers or competitors. It is the cheapest ratio or the cheapest share. The second thing we can see is the book value. The book value of Gale India Limited is an ideal book value ratio, which means that it is an ideal share which we can purchase. The other thing which we can see that the past 10-year median PE is also 10.8, which is a low median PE. The median PBV of Gale India Limited for the past 10 years is 1.4, which is an ideal median PBV. The second company which we have taken from the medium-sized company is the Dish TV. This is a brief information of the Dish TV. From here we can assess the ROCE, ROE, promoters holding, pledge percentage of Dish TV India Limited. Using this information, we can see that the PE ratio of Dish TV India is 3.73, which is the lowest as compared to all of its competitors, which means it is an ideal share which we can purchase and thus it is the cheapest share in the market of entertainment and electronic media software. If we see the book value of Dish TV India, it is the lowest with 2.59 and its P is also very low. Thus, it is an ideal share which an investor can buy. The median PE for the last 10 years of Dish TV India is 14.3 and the median PBV for Dish TV India for the past 10 years is 0.9. From small cap company, we have selected KRBL Limited. This is a brief description about the KRBL Limited. From here, we can assess the ROCE, ROE, market capitalization, promoters holding, pledge percentage, and debt to equity ratios of KRBL Limited. With the help of this information, we can see that the PE ratio of KRBL Limited is 11.86 and it is the lowest as compared to all of its competitors. Thus, it is the most cheapest share which an ideal investor can purchase from the market. Moreover, its book value is also very low with 1.89. Thus, if we see the PE and the BV, we can see that it is the ideal and the most cheapest share which an ideal investor can purchase from the food processing industry. This is the median PE of 10 years of the KRBL Limited, which is 12.1. And this is the median PBV of KRBL Limited for the past 10 years, which is 2.1. Thus, it is an ideal share from the small cap company which an ideal investor can purchase. So, thank you for watching our presentation.